Hi everyone, these are the instructions to make bookmarks. Open Word and choose New Blank Document. And right now it's in Portrait, which is the default. So I'm going to click Layout, choose the orientation, Landscape, and then change the margins to narrow. Then I'm going to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to select Rectangle, and then I'll just make my very first rectangle. And I can scroll down till I get to green border. There we go. And then do the same thing on the top. So I'm at the edge, and then if I want to move it so I can see the green edge in the corner, then I know I'm in the right place. And then I'm just going to change it so that you can see through it, so no fill. And I want to add two more. So if I hold Control and click on the border, I can make a copy of it. And then do the same thing, let go, hold Control and make a third copy of it. So I have 3 bookmarks. Now with the bookmarks you can get very fancy. Select your first one. You could go to Shape Outline, and you can choose the color of the outline if you'd like. Go back to the outline, choose the weight of the border, go back to outline, and then you can choose, I like this new one, Sketched. This is in 2019. Or you can go to dashes, so I'll do Sketched for this one. Then I'll go to the next one and do my outline, maybe a different color, a thickness, the weight, and then the style for this one, I'll go with dashes. Go back to this one, so that's the outline, and then I'm going to go to the Shape Fill, and you can just choose a basic color, or you could go into gradient, and I'm going to show you that one. So if you choose more gradients, you get a little tabs, and I've already changed the colors of them. You can add more tabs with the plus or take tabs away, and each tab you change the color. And I also changed the direction so that it's linear, and I chose straight. You can switch it if you wanted. That's the direction. Want it sideways, whatever way you'd like. And then in the next one I will choose a texture, and if you choose under textures, there's others to choose from. You can select anything you'd like. This one doesn't have a border, and then you'll start to add text. So in that I would do it, instead of just typing it, use word art and select any font you want. You can always change it. And I can narrow this down. I can move it, the text box, and then remember with the word art, you can change again the outline and the fill so that it's maybe a different color. And maybe the outline would be black. You can change whatever you like, but the fun part is in transform, where you can get the reading to be something that you can read, but something fun. And you can make it larger if you want. The other one I'm going to type in here is, I'm going to do an insert, word art, and you can actually have it go, let's see, I'm going to type bookmark, but I want it to go vertical. So what I'll do is stretch it out, but make it narrow, so that it's just one letter per line. And again, let me just stretch it out a little more. Maybe not. So there you go. So the A and the R were small letters, so they fit together. And again, you can change the fill if you wanted to add a different color inside, the outside. And again, you can move it with the 4 arrows to anywhere you want. And then you can add pictures. So insert, pictures, online. And remember, when you take pictures from online, make sure you stay with Creative Commons. And notice I have the check mark for Creative Commons only. And again, you have the picture might be huge, so I'm just going to change the size of it for now, for 1 inch and 1 inch wide. And then it's behind, so I'm going to choose, seeing the picture selected, In here, choose layout options and choose in front of. There you go. And then remember, you can delete the unknown author. So make sure you click the right box and press delete. And then you can move your picture. So go ahead and be creative. I'll show you a couple of more that I've already created. So this one I did. I think I'll attach them so you can see them as well. And there's one more I did. Oops. These are other samples. So go ahead and be creative and save and submit. Thank you.